Hi guys, it's Talia and welcome back to my channel guys. In this video I decided to film my fall makeup look. I know I'm pretty late on this video, but you know what, fall hasn't ended yet, so I was like, why not upload a video of my fall look. Thank you guys so much for the love and support on my channel. You guys are super amazing. I just want to cry. I know I may not have a lot of subscribers. Honestly, I'm just very grateful. You guys are super amazing. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys stick around. And for this look, I'm just gonna be very forward with this video. That is pretty much it guys, so let's just get started with the video. Sorry if my eyebrows look a little bit messy, but I haven't got them done, so I definitely need to go get my eyebrows done. And yeah, I did my eyebrows off camera, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow palette I'm going to be using is the Yes Please ColourPop, and I just recently purchased this palette. And the reason why I got this palette because the colors are super pretty and they go so well with the fall look. Or like a fall vibe, like warm tones. So that's what I'm going for. First shade I'm going to take in is this one called Note to Myself, which is more like a brown shade. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this all over my eyelid as my first transition shade. I'm gonna go in with this shade, which is called GNO. I'm really going to apply it kind of in the middle of my crease and just slightly blend it with the brown shade. The next shade I'm gonna go in with this French Kiss, which is a little bit more dark shade. A bit of that product, just a little bit, and just kind of give it a little smoky in the outer V. With the orange shade, slightly, don't grab too much product, and then basically I'm just gonna blend the top. Blend the top just a little bit. For primer, I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Hangover Primer, and I'm gonna go ahead and kind of like apply it in my area of my T-zone. In with my LA Girl Pro Coverage foundation, and this one is the shade Fair. So much. This is like my third bottle that I use. It just gives a very illuminating, not like too dry on my skin. I just love this foundation. I'm just gonna blend my foundation. For concealer, I'm gonna go in with my Tarte concealer. This one is the shade Fair Beige. And with my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, and this one is the shade Fair Light. Go ahead and set my nose. And then my mouth area because that's where it gets a little bit of cakiness. Bronzer, I'm gonna go in with my Hoola Benefit bronzer, and I meant to contour my face, but I already applied powder, so I really don't want to mess this up. So I'm just gonna go right ahead with my Hoola bronzer. Because I always like to keep my forehead a little bronzy, even though I have a tiny one, but that's okay, no worries. I ain't complaining. A little bit of the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, and I'm just gonna take this side of the edge of my sponge and I'm gonna go ahead and just carve it. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the powder. And off my nose as well. And my mouth area. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my Wet n Wild Apricot in the Middle blush. I love this blush a lot. It just gives me the very warm toned vibes for this colors. Remove that powder. And take Big Cocktails, which is this shade right here, and I'm just gonna apply this in my bottom lash line just to set out the eye look. Like I said, I want it to be very warm and orangey tones, so that's what I'm aiming for. My e.l.f. eyeliner. I love to use this eyeliner basically like for every day. So this is only $2, guys, and it works super amazing. Go ahead and take my Maybelline mascara and apply my lashes. Go ahead and go back with the Hoola bronzer and on my nose, kind of like contour. My Mario Badescu spray just set my whole face. And I'm just gonna go back with the palette, and I'm gonna take Butter Cake, which is this gold shimmer shade. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter palette and take Summer, which is this beautiful gold shimmer shade. And for lip liner, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Kylie Cosmetic Dulce K lip liner. This one is the NYX lipstick. This one is Butter. Light up the lips. I'm gonna go ahead and take my ColourPop Moonchild. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge big thumbs up. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.